So I'm gonna show you in this guide how you can unlock this. So you need to put 0 on the left side and go to this and then activate. Now it's gonna show you this. So you need to get back. This time go to right side and open up and put 1. Alright. Now go back. Now careful that this will break once you guys activate that. So go there. So activate this. So nothing you can do that. Now you need to go here faster.
Steady now.
Now you can see 3 stack of dates here. So this one is correct right now. Alright, so go to this left one now. Try to bring 0 once again. And on your right side 3. There you go. Now you can activate this one. So get back. Alright.
Another door. There must be more to this.
Alright, it's gonna fall down, so go back. So we have a new numbers here. This one layer and that one. So once again, rotate this to, yeah, this one. Alright, go right. You need to put here dash, not this one, but yeah, this one right there. So you can now go here, try activate, and you will get another stack. Get back.
Hey Jonah, any progress?
That's the last one.
There's an incomplete date and a depiction of Jacques Shell.
I have 2
There you go.
dates here and E-Shell. I think I've seen the date on the left somewhere. The photo from Cozumel. Maybe the... Okay, Jonah. What's the final number for Jacques Shell?
A line across with 2 dots on top of it.
2 dots on top and it's 7.
Thanks.
That's the answer for you that Jonah just gave you. So this one is what you want. Now go to this last door. And boom bada boom. You have finally unlocked the door. Mission complete.
That's it. Jonah.
Hey Lara, it's Abby.
And it is how you can get through it. Well, it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.